Hello everyone, welcome to Cabo. You have to see how beautiful it is here. I wanted to film with all of this in the background, but the lighting just isn't very good. You can see how dark I am. So we're gonna do it this way. So today's video is gonna be all about the things that you need to bring for your hair when you're traveling. There's a couple essentials. I'm somebody that likes to travel with just a carry-on. So I wanna make sure I have everything I need though, and I need to fit it all into this tiny bag. So a couple things that I have to bring for my hair are wash shampoo. This is an amazing shampoo because when you're in all this sun, your hair actually gets so dry and so dehydrated. You can see right here, half of it is super frizzy just because of the humidity. I'm going to show you in a second how to take care of that. I also have purple shampoo. I just put it into this bottle. The sun is really, really hard on any color, and what it does to blonde hair is it turns it really yellow. Despite what, usually when I get back from vacation, I need to tone it again just because of the sun. But purple shampoo is going to be a good way to help maintain your toner a little bit while you're here. So all I do is mix half this and half this every single time that I shampoo my hair, and it should be good to keep the color pretty clean. I also have polish. Polish is like a little mini mask. It adds all that extra hydration again that the sun takes out of your hair. This is Replenish. I'm out of room, so this is what it's amazing for. I don't like to have to flat iron my hair every single day because again, it's already so dry, but it is a great way to smooth out any humidity issues. So just take a little bit of oil. You can see how sleek this side is, and all you have to do is run it through. And it gets rid of any of that frizz. It's gonna look like you re-flat ironed your hair again. There. Perfect. Skip the skin too. I like to use smooth when my hair is curly because it has a little bit of a tack. It helps to really define the curls without the heaviness of a Replenish oil. And actually I should close this before it spills everywhere. And then obviously clean, same thing applies. I don't want to have to wash my hair every single day. It's already so dry here. I also don't want to have to spend the time to restyle it all the time, so this is great to absorb any of the sweat because you will be sweating. It's so hot here. I have my little travel flat iron and little travel blow dryer. I refuse to use hotel dryers on my hair. I used it once and it singed my hair. It was so crispy. I put treatments on it. Nothing could really revive it. I needed a haircut, and eventually over time, the stuff that wasn't really damaged was revivable. But like to have a haircut just because of the blow dryer is ridiculous, really. I like this dryer because it has a little nozzle too. It also comes with a little diffuser if you want to wear your hair with some natural wave. Humidity is great to bring out natural texture in your hair. Like my hair is normally pretty straight because of the humidity, if I really wanted to, I could scrunch it and I would get a little bit of beach wave in it. That's really nice. Especially if you go swimming. I don't really get my hair wet because the salt is really hard on your hair, but if I wanted to wear it with a little bit of wave and then use a diffuser, I would just get it wet in the ocean, diffuse it, and then it's perfect for the evening. I also have a little baby travel curling iron, but my sister's using it right now, but it's the cutest thing. It's like a little smaller than this, full-size barrel. It works great. A couple little other key things that you need are, of course, travel hairspray. I don't know how well this works. It was given to me, but it's small enough to fit in my bag, so I thought I'd try it. And something so when you want to tie your hair, there's not that much tension on it. A regular ponytail. This is what I use if I want to wear my hair half up and I need a little bit more height. It gives it that really cute, like Ariana Grande type of ponytail. And then I bring a comb like this, one that has really wide teeth and one that has jagged teeth. This is great for backcombing if I want to backcomb my hair. This is really great to comb it when it's wet so it doesn't get any tangles. It's like using a pick because I don't like to use anything with really close teeth. So it's kind of comb my brain. Perfect. And lastly, stuff for my bangs because it's so hot. The last thing I want is to look like a wet dog with hair on my face at the beach from all the sweat. So I want to keep my bangs out of the way. There's those old school things that we can use, these butterfly clips, which will work. I will still use them, but they're just not the cutest or most modern thing to use. These little clips actually work amazing for them because you can just scoop them back and then pin it in there and it holds it back. It looks really cute with a little bit of a poof. And then of course something a little bit more fashionable like the headband. There's different types of headbands. These ones are kind of gone out a little bit, a little out of style, but you're on a beach vacation, so I don't really care. And you can make anything look cute as long as you rock it with confidence. So that's it for my hair kit. I am going to be going over what I brought for makeup and skincare on our new channel. We just started it. We're really, really excited about it, so make sure to check it out. It's $eyelashclub.com, and I'll be going over all of the things that you're going to need to keep your skin beautiful while you're away. So make sure to leave a comment, subscribe to our channel. We do release new videos every Friday. Bye!